mutima gwange bensinga okwagala abayimbi bendina nabo stories abali related to me abayimbi benjagala abamu ku benjagala. Ate nafubye nnyo okulaba nga kibeera Ugandan, mostly Ugandan, n'okufulumako okwo mu Uganda Katini, East Africa, Tanzania, Rwanda, but I wanted the sound to come from Uganda.
Ndaba Vanessa Mudik album, the first collaboration is doing in Uganda and is doing it with you, Fik Fameica. How did you learn this collaboration?
Vanessa Mudik is my friend, she's my friend. Yeah.
Okay, still Ndaba Komozelo Kids, Ndaba Eddy Kenzo and so many others, then the good father would say, just steady, and I'm album. DJ, Ogana College Chimu. Obukalwa DJ Brian, official DJ of Fik Fameica, is already a booth. So, Njagala Brian Ogolechi Chimu. Ku album when you are coming and just a listener's party for us, with no cool is up in you, Fik, Nena mentioning Borimba, or get inspiration Yaro, who did the audio, probably the video if it's out or to the story behind the song, DJ Brian William sampling it, now to get a master. Chili, okay? Okay, song number 1 is called One Love. It's a song, it's a solo song to Agambye Weka. It's a single. What inspired you to do this song? The producer, and then the video director.
The song was produced by Bomba. Bomba made my beat. Shout outs to you, brother. Yakolo mulimu munene nnyo ku album eno. Actually, album eno eriko ba producer bana boka, and they are all Ugandan. Kuliko my brother Atin. I've done a lot of songs with Atin. Ku album eno y'omu ku ba producer abalinako ennyimba ennyingi. Kuliko Bomba, kuliko Nesim, kuliko ne Trumpet. These are all Ugandan producers.
Okay.
Yeah, so Rimba One Love were producing kwa Atin. Era nga nakola oluyimba luno.
Atin Bomba because
Rimba luno were producing kwa Bomba. Sorry. Era nga nakola oluyimba luno. I mean to unite music waffe n'okwagala to inspire no pushing one love kubanga fena tukyetaaga tulina okuba nga twagala nga tweyagala nga twepushinga. So I did this song to do that.
Okay, One Love from Fik Fameica. DJ Brian is ready. I will do tutandikirako. Ugenda ku song number 4.
Wow, Karuka Sita is my good friend.
Okay.
And she's an artist, I'm an artist.
Chikomao. And your song number 4 is called Karo.
Karo, yeah, it's just a name. But Karo banji munsi yonna yonna. Yeah, so.
Fiki. Okay, the story behind it is the love story.
Yeah, it's a love song and it was produced by Atin.
Atin Problem.
Written by me.
Written by you. Okay, song number 5 is called Izulu. One featuring whenever I interview you keep saying just said is your good father in music. One mlabako. One was in just said.
Yeah, the song is called Izulu.
Izulu.
And it was produced by my brother Bomba.
Again?
Yeah. I'm featuring Just Steady.
Bomba. Yeah.
On this one. Actually, so Garachi nabadde njagala. So ketuuliremu ku nnyimba zineno. So we call the producers. I want everyone to shine on this one. Tulina abantu bangi nnyo abakoze omulimu ku album eno.
Okay.
So I shouldn't be sitting here and ngamboogerako nga weebali.
Okay. So tukole ekyo, right? DJ Brian, Fresh Gang DJ, kitukolere. Tuvibinge, enyimba 14 non-stop.
Yeah, man.
Mix it up. Tuvibingemu. Then later we recognize each and everybody about the project.
Exactly.
Right?
I'm sweating.
Yeah, we can tell. How are you going to be able to perform all these songs?
Chijakugwa.
Yeah, those are 14 amazing songs, man. Do you have a favorite here?
All of them. All of them. I put energy on all the songs.
Yeah.
Same energy, equal energy. Yeah.
This is a bit out. The particular song with Vanessa Mudik, Booty or Beauty. For you, Booty and Beauty, which one do you go for?
Akusinga Booty olina Beauty. Musinga Booty alina Beauty. Yeah.
let's get the credits on this album, the particular producers and every hand that, penned down a lyrics or two on this particular album. Let's start with the producers, yeah? Let's go from top.
Like I said before, the album has been made by only 4 producers.
Wow.
And that is Acting and Bomba. I want people to recognize the producers. My brother Acting, pull up.
Yeah, Acting, Bomba, let's come through. Yeah, let's give it up for these producers, man. They're amazing, yo. Woo! Yeah, Acting is a big shy.
Nassim produced Wecha Kalire. And then most of the trap songs were produced by my little brother called Trapex. He's not here, I think. Wally Trapex. Yeah.
Okay. Let's get the producers on stage. We need to give them the props.
Uncle Bomba, pull up.
Bomba, come through, man. I saw Atin around. Atin a shy boy.
Uncle Bomba, respect my brother. We had sleepless nights creating this. Yeah, man. Guys, Vanaka Kapuria Karuka Bomba. Yeah, man. Chaka Vinyo.
Yeah. Atin, like you cool. Atin, shy.
Achaka Zidaro. Tetuka Kakua.
No, not so yourself.
Bananga basajja baneno bampa obudde ndi muyimbi akola music ekiro. I've spent sleepless nights with Atin.
Wow.
I've spent sleepless nights with my brother Bomba just to make this.
Wow.
And I want to appreciate you guys. Mwebale nnyo kumpa time. Mwebale nnyo art gwe mukoze ku album eno. Kampulira akalulu abasajja bano bano. And of course, my brother Nassim, shout outs to you, my brother Trapex. Yeah.
But let me just a minute, yeah. Doing the songs, how do you feel about your work? Can you use the microphone?
Yeah. Hello everyone.
Yeah.
I feel good on this work because it's great. We did a great job with my brother. Big up.
Yeah. Which songs here did you pull out?
Number 1, number 2, number 5, 6, number 13. 6 songs, yeah.
Oh, 6 songs. All right, amazing, man. Atin, Torika shy. Yeah, let's talk about the songs you've done here.
At least I've produced a couple of 5 tracks.
5 tracks. Wow. Which is your favorite?
I don't know. I feel like I love them.
All of them.
Actually,
yeah?
I love the entire connection.
Wow.
It's just an amazing project.
Wow. All right, let's make some noise for these producers. Yeah, that's amazing, man. Shout out to you guys, man. Big up. Fik, let's get back to who did this particular one? Booty or Beauty?
Booty was produced by my brother Atin. Yeah.
Atin, what would you tell you company about this side? What do you know more? Like always. Fik, let's talk about the penning, the lyrics. Who are some of the people that pen down lyrics here?
Of course, collaborations eziriko. Kuliko my brother Eddy Kenzo, yawandika lyrics ze nange nempandika ezange. My brother just wrote his lyrics, I wrote mine. My brother Bruce wrote his, I wrote mine. And then all the other songs were written by me. Okujjako oluyimba number 1 nalukola n'omuyimbi gwe bayita Raja. Track number 1, yeah.
Yeah, amazing. Is Raja here, by the way?
Raja. Akayimba kano twakawandiika babiri n'omwana. Yeah.
All right. Let's talk about the collaborations. Can we have them here?
Yeah,
sure. I've seen Eddy Kenzo around. Let's make some noise for Kenzo.
Man, omusajja ono nakola naye oluyimba luno lwansonga is one of my inspirations.
Yeah.
Wani wafe. Yeah, so I have so much love and respect for his craft. Yeah.
Wow, Eddy Kenzo, you've inspired the entire generation about 2 decades now, and we are super humbled, you know. And you being on this particular remix, how does it make you feel?
So amazing. I feel so good, honestly.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I want to thank God for Fik.
Yeah.
Fik, we have a story. Fik, he was my fashion designer. Wow. Yes. Before singing. And then he started singing. He sent me songs. So I told him that, you know, I think you're different. There is difference in your lyrics and the flow. So you are going to make it. Make sure that you keep it up. Don't lose hope. Keep doing it. Keep the creativity.
We also wanted BET.
And I'm so proud of him.
Yeah.
Because right now you can see that he's aiming far.
Yeah.
He's a visionary.
Yeah.
He knows what he wants, and I think he's going to achieve it.
Wow.
He has maintained for all this long. Maintaining in Uganda, doing rap music, it's not easy.
True.
Because basically, rap music is not our culture. But this is just something that is starting to catch people with our new generation, and it's doing good. So I'm so proud of him because it's not easy to maintain. Most especially to keep class, you know what I mean? And that is so amazing, my brother. I'm so wow. Keep it up, keep going. We are proud of you, and we are here to go with you. Whatever journey you're going to be moving, we are together with you as a country, as the industry. I'm thanking everyone here, the media people, all our friends, producers, the people that turned up this evening for Fik. Thank you so much. Let's keep supporting this boy. He is the future. And I think this boy is international already. Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of Fik here, Zawi. And you guys are doing it big. Thank you so much. God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much, Eddy Kenzo, for those amazing words. Let's make some noise for Eddy Kenzo. Yeah. There's this young gentleman here. He's so, visionary. I love him so much. Yo, Mozelo.